Battery and charging. Remove the battery from the chainsaw by pressing the button on the battery, pushing the battery forward with your finger. Attach the cable to the battery and plug it into an appropriate power source. Red light will flash as the battery charges. Green light will flash once you finish charging the battery. Reattach it to the base. Chain adjusting and replacing. By turning the red nut, you can loosen or tighten the chain. To replace the chain, turn the black nut and take out the guide bar. Place the chain carefully on the blade and reinsert it in the chain. Tighten the black nut. Lubricating the chain. Make sure the chainsaw is turned off. To lubricate the chainsaw, unscrew the cap and pour a small amount of oil in the compartment and then press the rubber cap. Using the chainsaw. Make sure to use the protective gear to use the chainsaw. Grip the chainsaw firmly and press the on-off button together with the safety button. Once the chainsaw starts working, release the safety button. The chainsaw has an overload protection mechanism. If it turns off, let it cool down, remove the battery and reinsert it again to start the chainsaw.